Now on the left hand side, you have three options. One is, this is the report. This is where we are. One is the table format. The moment you load the data, you will be able to see the data in the table, this thing. And another is the relationship of the model. Here you can build relationship. Okay. There is an option called auto arrange. So this auto arrange will also do it, but you can also drag and align the various tables over here. So that's pretty much about Power BI look and feel. Okay. These are the various tools and tabs that are available. Okay, but okay, there are a couple of others. One is the format. Format is something to do with the formatting of the dashboard, and data and drill are giving the flexibility to the user to how much they can drill the data, that how much they can see the data. So that is the flexibility. But primarily, if you ask me, probably you will be using home and modeling. These are the two most important tabs that we'll be using at the beginning, or any user should use at the beginning. And then once they get used to it, so view, format, data and drill, these are more advanced version of advanced Power BI when you will be using this kind of this particular functionality. So that's all I have in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.